Hello everyone, welcome to AJ's 1 in a Trillion channel, and today we're going to do a review on my Revlon blow dryer, and we're going to see how well this really does on our hair. I have 4C hair. Yes, I do. It's very thick and I love this blow dryer. I use it on my hair, my daughter hair, like my sons and my niece, and all of us have coarse hair, and I've had this blow dryer for 2 years. I'm just now doing my review, but at least you know it lasts because it's been a while. They try to tear my stuff up, as you can see, but it's still hanging in there and it's really good. Like, I love this blow dryer. This is the blow dryer right here. It's amazing. I love this blow dryer. See that? It's Revlon. Yeah. Now, one tip, I do like to air dry my hair usually before I blow dry with this, because I don't like to do so many passes with it. It just makes it easier for me and my arm and my strength. Y'all know I ain't strong. So I just usually like to let my hair air dry halfway through and then do this. I mean, I just recommend it so you don't sit there all day, like blow drying all day. But I just wash my hair and condition it, and we're gonna just get into the video and just start blow drying my hair. Like, it's gonna take a while because it's wet, and I did not air dry it. It's just under here. Okay, so let's get into this video. Alright, so I've already sectioned off my hair for this video. I've already combed out my hair, and like I braided it in sections and combed it out because I just took braids out my hair, so I didn't want y'all to like my hair isn't typically that bad. Let's see. Put it on high. It just takes more passes when you're doing your hair when it's wet. Y'all see how many passes that took? I just don't like to have to do that many passes on my hair. But other than that, like, I love my blow dryer. Yes. I love my blow dryer. Alright, see. You'll see the difference. Like when you try to do your hair when it's halfway, like when it's somewhat dry, then it just does not take that much heat. It doesn't take that long, like, at all. So I recommend that. That's what I found out. And I don't mind letting my hair air dry some so that I don't have to use so much heat on my hair. That's just what I like. So we're gonna get this next section. Is a pretty big section. Let's see here. This is my Goody Detangling comb. I couldn't have spent my money better. This comb detangle my hair so easy out of them braids. I don't even know what to tell y'all. Like, if y'all didn't watch my video about my hair products that I used when I detangled my son hair, I recommend you truly do, because this comb right here, like, man, when I tell you, they products are just perfect for our hair. Like, they just are. I use Tresemme shampoo and conditioner on my hair, so it gives me this lip. I don't care what y'all say. I tried to give up my Tresemme and do that no sulfate thing, all that crazy crap. No, that don't work on my hair. I need it. I need what they got. I need what they selling. I need what they selling. I don't do the creamy crack, but I need a peel. No, but I need something. I have to have something in here, like, to properly clean my hair and condition it and give me some slip. And I'm sorry, Tresemme works for me. So what they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So that's what I'm doing. What is it? Two more sections left to give. This is a big one right here. Second.
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? Up that I've ever done, but what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at.
that's what my Revlon blow dryer does for me. I don't need the blow dryer to bone straight my hair because I'm going to flat iron it with my nice flat irons, which I'm going to do a review for you guys on my flat irons that I love so much. They are, I'm going to do a review for you guys on my, let's see if we can do something with this wig, child. Wig. Let's do something with this wig. So, I don't need to get my hair any straighter than this because I am going to be straightening my hair with my flat irons, which I'm going to do a review on that because these flat irons is bomb and they are going to get my hair bone straight. Bone straight. Bone straight. It's gonna get me bone straight, honey, so you don't gotta worry about this. This right here is just, you know, this is step 2 of my process. First is the wash and condition, then I blow dry it, and then I flat iron it. So I got something to do right now, so I'm gonna just wear it in a bun. I'm like gonna brush it up real cute, lay my little edges down, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna just get up and flat iron it real quick, and I'm gonna do it for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how I flat iron my hair with my, you know, flat irons that I have. I believe they're, I'll just tell you about those when that time comes, when I do the process and do the review. But right now, baby, this review is on my Revlon blow dryer that I've had for 2 years. Blow drying 4C hair. Y'all saw my daughter walk behind me. Y'all saw her hair. My niece hair is thick too. And oh, my son's, oh my goodness. This thing has taken a beating. I'm just trying to figure out how much longer this gonna last me for real. I couldn't have bought a better blow dryer and a better comb. Like, the review is about this Revlon blow dryer, but this detangling comb, honey, you have to have your products. Like, your products these are my go-to products. Like, baby, they get me together. Baby. All right, now let me stop. Y'all saw me lose in the dance video with my children. All right, so that was a review on my Revlon blow dryer here that I love so much. It's amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching AJ's 1 in a Trillion channel. Peace.